that end needs to be fixed.
Yeah, this is a lot. This is thicker than that by a little bit.
I've done that way. Ah,
Oh, just blew it out. Put it off. Salvageable.
possibly.
You just be real careful with it, okay? Yeah, just be very, especially right there, just barely taking it off until you get it running smooth again, okay? Right. 'Cause I think it's- I think that's- 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 probably a good spot for it anyway. Little bitty everything. You'll know when you get it out.
Gone? I might smooth that part out a little tiny bit.
Wouldn't try to make any more of this off, but
No?
that's just like what we did, but I make a lot of things like that.
That's a good spot for it.
The right side is thicker than the left, so you look around.
She gives me strength. She gives me
There's something right there.
Try that corner.
No. Well, ain't even that yet, I guess.
It started way back in 3rd grade.
No, I'm not gonna be able to do
I used to sit beside him in New Hills. Pink dress, a matching bow in her ponytail. She kissed me on the school bus, but told me not to tell. Next day I chased her around the playground, across the monkey bars to the merry-go-round. And Emmy Lou got caught passing me a note. Before the teacher took it, I read what she wrote. Do you love me? Do you wanna be my friend? If you do,
Go ahead and start.
well then don't be afraid to take me by the hand. If you want to, I think this is how love goes. Check yes or no. Now we're rolling, she's my own. Still like to kiss the stars rise. Ain't much changed, I still choose you. Up and down the hall, around the bed I love. Last night I took her out in a white limousine.
20 years together.
She still gets to me. Can't believe it's been that long ago when we got started with just a little note. Do you love me? Do you want me, my friend? And if you do, well then don't be afraid to take me by the hand. If you want to, I think this is how love goes. Check yes or no.
Into that stuff.
Do you love me? Do
Still
you
looks awful.
wanna be my friend? And if you do, well then don't be afraid to take me by the hand.
What?
If you want
Oh,
to, I think this is how love goes. Check yes or no. Check yes or no. Check yes or no. Check yes or no. Check yes or no.
if this is gonna work or not.
She's probably somewhere between Tennessee and Oklahoma by now. She took off with her heart in the dark out of the rear view town. Breaks her night till it comes to stopping. She burst out saying, "I'm sorry." This time I don't.
Stills. With that super glue
She's
still
got
on
them
there?
high heels pressed down hard like she hates that floor.
Oh, it's like that.
Tips still lit lipstick, cigarette trail. High tail lights, always against with her wings on the wind. That angel made her get away. Now she's out there
Huh?
shooting my heart.
I did.
Hell on the highway.
Oh, I'm spinning it.
up at all?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep. A couple of bumps. We'll go ahead and listen to it.
She's got them high heels pressed down hard like she hates that boy. And her red tips still in lipstick, cigarette trail. Behind tail lights, gone as it gets with the wings on the wind. They ain't to let her get away. Now she's out there putting my heart to hell on the highway. Yeah, she's out there putting my heart to hell on the highway. Yeah, she is.
I think it's fine. Yeah, for doing other thing with polish.
Speed down.
Got them high heels pressed down hard.
But that will.
I see tail lights flickering in the dark. Yeah, she's out there. She's putting my heart through hell on the highway. Another Friday night is a long cause me. All the team's got him out of town. Me, I'm sitting in the room of my room. Mr. Parker walked down and out of under that high school bleacher, I drove that preacher called Creek. My mama was my homeroom teacher. Her dad was here, been on sale. Yeah,
those two together? Or is it?
Met a man
That's
wearing
audio.
a t-shirt said
Right,
Virginia
right.
is for lovers. Had a Bible in his left
T-shirt.
hand and a bottle in the other. He said all
That's the
you're
right
really
name, right?
given is the sunshine in your name. We both started laughing when the sky started to rain. Get along down the road. We got a long, long way to go. Scared to live, scared to die. We ain't perfect, but we try. Get along while we can. Always give love the upper hand. Paint a wall, learn to dance. Call your mom, buy a boat, drink a beer, sing a song, make a friend. Can't we all get along? Saw myself on a billboard, 1-800 get to know me. Wondered was she photoshopped or were her eyes really that lonely? Did she leave her hometown thinking she'd end up in LA? Did she break down in the desert and get stuck beside the highway? Get along down the road. We got a long, long way to go. Scared to live, scared to die. We ain't perfect, but we try. Get along while we can. Always give love the upper hand. Paint a wall, learn to dance. Call your mom, buy a boat, drink a beer, sing a song, make a friend. Can't we all get along?
Oh my dude, I stopped. Just push it all the way in.
We find out when you die, the keys to heaven can't be bought. We still don't know what love is, but we sure know what it's not. Sometimes you got to get along down the road. We
Man, what in the world's wrong with you?
scared to live,
There.
scared to die.
Look, what I would do is look at your tip here. If there's any little chips or blue different spots, I would put the clip on top of it so you can see it.
Paint a wall, learn to dance, call your mom, buy a boat, drink a beer, sing a song, make a friend. Can't we all get along?
That doesn't matter where. Oh, that's why I wasn't turning that way.
What do you think?
Like